And let's get to our special segment, the good, bad and ugly news in the fight against coronavirus.
Here is the good news of the day when it comes to the COVID-19 pandemic and vaccinations. Covaxin, which is India's indigenously developed vaccine against COVID-19, has shown interim efficacy of 81% is what its developers, Bharat Biotech International Limited, have said. 81% is the efficacy, and this is good from the point of view of questions being raised on the data not being available. Remember, many questions have been raised also. The lack of efficacy data is what had put this vaccine in the clinical trial mode. Also, when it comes to side effects and serious adverse events or medically looked at adverse events, then there was a balance between the vaccinated group and the placebo group and was at low levels is what the developers have said. So what next for Covaxin? Will it then be going to the regulator? Again, given the fact that the regulator had said, come back to us when you have the efficacy data, since Bharat Biotech had sought to start clinical trials on children above the age of 5 and below the age of 18, that looks like a possibility. The bad news of the day when it comes to the COVID-19 pandemic, the UNICEF has said that 247 million children in India have suffered because of COVID-enforced lockdown and closure of schools. Talking about online education, it's clear that Indian children are a deprived lot. Because of 4 children, only 1 child has had access to online education. So 1 in every 4 children have had access to online education. The rest have even not had access to online education. The UNICEF has urged governments all over the world, including India, to do the needful in ensuring that children get access to education or go back to schools if that is possible. 6 million children in India are already suffering even before COVID-19. They've been out of school, and this is a huge problem in the country.
Now, the ugly side to the COVID-19 virus is the fact that super spreader events have led to most people testing positive after a society in Haryana's Sector 67 in Gurugram was declared a containment zone after more than 22 people had tested positive. Now, 54 students of a school in Karnal have also tested positive. It was revealed after 3 students who were attending the school classes had tested positive, and out of the 390 samples that were taken from the school, 54 students were found to have carried the virus. In fact, the school has now been shut down and it has been declared as a containment zone. It's bad news as well because the students have just started going to school. Most of them are higher classes from 9 to 12 that are going to school to prepare for practicals and for crucial board examinations.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.